Good evening, friends. Today we are going to see deploy mode in Spark Summit. It is one of the important interview question also. Okay, let's see the deployment mode in Spark Summit. There are two types of deployment mode in the Spark Summit. One is client, another one is cluster. In case of yarn cluster, we used to give like yarn cluster. It depends upon the cluster what we are using. Okay. If we are giving client, what will happen? If we are giving yarn cluster or cluster, whatever it is in the cluster mode, what it will happen? Let me explain you. If while submitting the Spark Summit, if user giving the deployment mode equal to client, we all know that we use it to submit the Spark Summit in the edge node. Edge node is the gateway of cluster, like HDFS, gateway of HDFS or S3 or whatever it is. While we are submitting the deployment mode is client, we all know that in the Spark architecture, the driver program, a component called driver program, which will control the whole activity of the executions. The driver program will execute in the edge node itself. While you are giving the deployment mode equal to client, the driver program will execute in the edge node itself. If multiple users or multiple Spark submit, we are submitting in the edge node, what will happen? The deployment mode equal to client, the Spark submit in Spark submit deployment mode equal to client. In this case, if multiple Spark submit we are submitting, the edge node have to allocate the memory for this driver program. In this case, if multiple users, multiple Spark submit we are submitting, then all driver programs will execute in the edge node itself. In that case, it will lead the way for memory errors, like out of memory kind of errors and all used to happen. So the deployment mode equal to client is not at all recommended for the production. Okay, then what is the other type of deployment mode? That is cluster mode. Cluster in the yarn cluster itself, in the yarn cluster and all, we used to give yarn clusters. So if you are giving yarn cluster, what will happen? We all know that the Spark, in the Spark architecture, we've seen that one. We have the executors working executors in the worker nodes. So if we are giving the deployment mode equal clusters or yarn cluster, it will keep the driver program in one of the worker node. Then it will start execute from the one of the worker node. If multiple Spark submit are submitting with the deployment mode equal to clusters, then it will use different worker nodes for each Spark submit. In that case, for driver, the memory allocated for the driver program for one Spark Summit, it will execute one worker node. In that particular worker node only, the memory will allocate for the particular driver program. So it will use the lesser memory. So this is the difference between the deployment modes. I repeat again, there are two types of deployment modes. One is client and another one is clusters mode. In the client mode, the driver program will execute from the edge node itself. In the case of clusters mode, the execution, the driver program will execute from the one of the worker nodes. To understand the out of memory and all, we have another video. What are the possibilities leads to the memory issues and all. If you want, please see that video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and others, and like and subscribe from Walker Art of YouTube channel. Thank you very much. We will see again in another video. Thank you.